Today I'm looking at an item that the company did send me and did compensate me to make a review and tell you about this little hard case for your Bitzee toy. This is a really interesting case, a nice quality, beautiful design, very, very well made. Now, the case comes just like you see here. There's different variations that are available, so check out the site. We have all different colors, which is really nice. This is just for the hard case only, not for the Bitzee, just to be clear and transparent. You can see the size of it. Really, really nice. It's all branded. GWCASE is the company that this came from. What's nice about the case personally, I love the color, first of all. The kids are going to love the colors, no question about it. It's got a lot of functionality and a really good resource of information inside here. It holds a lot of stuff. Open this up. This actually fits your Bitzee right inside here. You can put some extra batteries in here. If you have your manual for your Bitzee, it goes in here as well. And that's all here. This is shock proof. Helps with, so if your kids are dropping it, you don't have to worry about that. It protects it, which is really nice. It keeps them protected so it doesn't get dirty, which is another really great thing. I love that as well. So it has a lot of different features and benefits on this case. Now, some of the other things I do like about the case, that it does come with a lanyard. It comes with the lanyard as well. This is a nice one here with the strap. You can see this just clips on the back here. A little clip right here. Let me just show you right there's a little clip. You clip on your lanyard, and then you can just carry it with you. That way you don't worry about losing it or dropping it. Here is a lanyard, you can see that, and your Bitzee pops right inside here. And also it comes with a little keychain lock for your backpack. This is like a little clip for your backpack. This is really, again, another really good feature. So there's a lot of good things here. I was surprised. Nice quality. It's a good storage for your toy. You keep it in here when you're not playing with it, so it keeps it protected for your virtual pet from damage, accidental drops, scratches, things like that. You know, you don't want that to happen. It's gonna protect it, because this is a super hard case. No problem with protection here. Really strong. It'll hold the batteries. It'll hold your pet. Everything will be all in here. Now, the size of this is roughly 4.4 inches to 3.5 inches to 3.3 inches. That's the size of the actual case itself. Now, I do have a Bitzee right here. I'm going to show you right here. Here's my little Bitzee. Not my Bitzee, but it's my daughter's Bitzee. And you can see how it just fits in the case, just like you see here. You close it up, then you just zip it around. And now you're fully protected. You don't have to worry about dropping it. It's going to be protected. It's got a lot of foam cushion inside the case. And that's what stops it from the shock proofing right here. All this enclosure here, this is where your cushion is to help. And you get it out, it has a little, they are very smart. They have the area, the little fingers will fit right in here to pull it out. So I thought that was actually pretty smart as well. So you can see how it just pops right out. Let me just get it out here. Now also, you put the batteries right in here. If extra batteries, you just pop them right inside here, a little mesh area right here, which I thought was very smart. And you put your AA batteries, your extra batteries in here. Okay, put that in there. You put your Bitzee in here. You close it up. Now your child is safe. Don't have to worry about it dropping. Put it on their backpack. They can carry it around. Really, really cute case. Again, all the Bitzee virtual pets will fit in here for boys, for girls, doesn't really matter. They have all different colors that are available online, and honestly the quality is fantastic, like I said before. And that's something, you know, the kids dropping it or they're running around, you don't have to worry about it. If they're going to the park or something like that, they want to take their Bitzee with them, this is what this is for, to protect it when it's traveling, or to store it in the home when you're done playing with it. Those are a couple really good reasons to do that. High quality zipper, you can see here, it's a really high quality zipper. Opens right up. You can see really easy. Your Bitzee's right in here. Just take it out and you're good to go. You can play, and then we just put it to the side when they're playing with it, and then when they're done, they can put it back in. And then again, you got the two different accessories that does come with the toy itself. I mean, not the toy, the case itself. So again, a high quality item. Definitely going to recommend this for sure. If you're looking for high quality case protection, I think this is definitely going to be it. For those interactive pets, you need storage, because, you know, if you drop this one time, it's not a good thing. Okay, you could crack it and break it. But if it's in this cocoon of a case, you're going to feel safe that if it does drop it, you don't have to worry about it breaking. The Bitzee toy won't be damaged by accidental drops. That's why you have that. Again, to get that smooth zipper action. It's actually is built really, really nicely, I have to tell you. Good quality. It's got that really high protection to get all the accessories that you need, all branded. It's a pretty hot right here. This is the pink and purple one, and they have different ones that are available. So that's what I have for you today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow the channel for more things like when you're shopping online, you want to know about these kind of things. I'm here to help educate you, motivate you, and inspire you to make a decision on something like this. So I'm definitely going to go ahead and say, This is definitely recommended, especially for those expensive toys. You don't want them to break. You can buy a couple different ones. If you have different toys as well, they can go in and if you have it going out with the friends. If you have a couple of children, pick up a couple of them, one for each. That way they don't fight over the case, because the case is really cool. I like it quite a bit. All right, guys, that's what I have. Hope you enjoyed this quick review. Appreciate your time as always. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. As always, I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching, and make it a great day.